voice recording memo. You can record up to 108 hours, but also it's an MP3 player. How are we doing, everyone? This is Dario from mediaboxentlab. So in today we have the Lemofun. It's a great memo recorder and also an MP3 player. Now this one comes with the 16 gigabytes internal memory and allow you to expand up to 32 gigabyte of micro SD. Now how this thing sounds, if you want to play MP3, sounds wonderful. Personally, I love the way the sound. You just plug it in your headphones and it sounds real nice. Now it has 2 mics and also allow you to install an external mic, headphones, it comes with the speaker and much more. So let me show you this in detail right now. All right, so let's go over the details on the voice recorder memo. So right from the front we have the main screen, the stop, play, and the selection button. From the side, save and record. So when you're ready, you start recording, and then when you pull it down, automatic save. Volume control, we see here, save volume control, external headphones that will be perfect for listen to the memo or MP3s, an external mic, but it has 2 mics right over here. We can control the games on the mic, on and off. Micro SD card that we install, load up a bunch of MP3s right there, and simple to charge the device. We're going to charge it right over here, micro SD card. Now to turn it on, just push this thing up. And we have the walk on the screen. And then from here, you need to select what mode you like. You like to record memo or you want the music. Right now, it's a music mode. And if I press the volume control, it will change voice recording, settings. And once again, we cycle into music mode. Let's play, since I got some MP3s here, I'm going to play. When you press MP3, we show you the track, the name, and right at the bottom, even it show you the format you compress. This one's 128 bit, right? And it show you the battery level. Press here. It has a loud volume. Let's pause it right there. It has a live volume. If you hook up your external headphones, sounds real nice. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to stop this. Or at this point, if we want, we can, we're still in music mode, but we can record in simple. We push this up right now. It's in safe mode. We're going to push this up and it change. And we're going to see there, the number is going to start changing. You see 1 second. So let's test in this 1, 2, 3, right? And what we can do now, we can pause if we want. So it's recording right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to push this to save mode, press this down, saving, and it's done. Now I want to play that one. So I'm going to hit play. The number is going to start changing. You see 1 second. So let's test in this 1, 2, 3. You see it has a loud volume. We're going to go the other way around. Instead to get music, we're going to go into, we can go into setting voice. So on voice, we press play, and now it's ready again to start recording. See? And if I want to record, the only thing I need to do is bring this up, and it's done. Now we want to look into the settings. So we're going to go into, now let's check the settings, and I'm going to go setting, press play, and I'm going to review the things here. We can, and with this you navigate and this you selection. All right, so we can go this way. We can location storage. So in case you record your voice memo, you can record an external, you can record external, you can edit the voice recording here. You can put a password settings, the recording type, and if I press here, allow me to go from 128 bit. I think you can go all the way to 384 bps, so that will be the highest one. But if you want to save space, I will leave it 192. So I'm going to press play again. It had a lot of configurations here. And voice recording and the recording gain, you can check the game. You can switch a monitor, so you will have to put your headphone and you can monitor your recording. You set your time of recording and recording from, right, if you're going to record an external, if you're going to record from the actually memo recorder, and backlight, language, and turn it off, and the contrast. And we got the memory information, a firmware, can be upgraded firmware, and we can restore to default values in case you make a change and you want to get it back into the factory reset. You click right there, and this one you exit, you press it right there, and it's done. Now, as you see, it's very simple to use. The only thing you need to know, or I need to know to record a memo, is turn the power on from the side, and then when the power is on, let's go up, is okay, power is up now. You start recording the memo, you push this button up and record your memo. When you finish, put it down. You don't even to look the screen, it's already safe. I want to record another memo, bring this up, start recording my second memo. When I'm finished, push the button down, because it needs to be simple, it needs to be fast. I'm recording a memo. Now tomorrow I have to do blah blah blah. Boom, done. That's it. And now later on you can review the files. You can copy or move it into the external memory, micro SD. You can plug it in and edit, or if you want to get something, put it right in the computer if you want. And if you want to play MP3, I'm telling you right now, sounds real good. The only requirement for the MP3 is I will use the external headphone. But if you want to listen to MP3s, right, you don't care about the sound much, well, you can use the external speaker. They're pretty loud. Leave it right on the table and play some cool MP3s. Right, done. All right. So like always, if you need more information, I will leave the link right below this video. Thank you. Bye.